Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to significantly boost your internet connection in just few simple steps. So if you're tired of your slow internet speeds on your Windows 11, you can follow up these steps in order to fix it. The first thing you can do is hit Windows plus R and open up this and type in ncpa.cpl. After that, click on OK, hit enter, and this opens up and you can look out for the connection that you have currently. I have this one right here. If you have Ethernet, you can select that and right click on it. Once you do so, you can go over to properties and open it up, and from here go over to Internet Protocol version 4 and head over to properties, and from here you need to type in following DNS server and then go ahead and click on OK after you type in 1.1.1 on the preferred and 1.0.0.1 on alternate DNS server, and then click on OK and close this one right here for now. After you do so, you can hit Windows plus R again and again go over to the same section, ncpa.cpl, and hit OK. And from there, go over to Wi-Fi connection, right click on it, go to properties, and this time go over and find this option for configure on the Wi-Fi properties and open it up like this. Now here, what you may do is go over, once this Windows opens up, go to advanced, and from the properties you may just follow up this process. The first thing you can do is you can just go ahead and go over and find this option called preferred band, and if you have this option for 5 GHz band, you can select this third option right here and that should do it. Or if you only have 2.4, you can even select that and click on OK and apply it up. The next thing is within here, find roaming aggressiveness, and if this option is medium high, you're gonna make it to the lowest. So lower the roaming aggressiveness, higher the speed. So if it is on medium low or even in this highest, make sure go to select this lowest option and click on OK. That will make your internet speed faster. And the next thing is, it's better to have channel bandwidth 5 GHz. So if this is here, you can make the validator auto and select it. And as I said, you can make the preferred band, roaming aggressiveness to your preferred thing. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and click on OK. And then you can just go ahead and restart your computer. Once you do so, go to the search here and go to the right here and go to the restart button right here and go ahead and restart it. And that should do it. And that should do it. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi, you can just head over to the section right here and connect to the network, and that way it will do it. So that's it for today's video. If you'd like to fix that issue on your device and speed up any kind of internet connection as well, you may follow up this method. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.